Today we're diving into the fascinating realm of color theory and how it can help you create eye-catching outfit combinations. I'm going to show you how to master the art of color and give meaning to what you wear by visually expressing yourself through color combinations. You see, most videos out there talk about colors, but what I feel is missing is how to use colors to effectively project the message you and I want the world to see. Color theory is the study of how colors interact with each other and the emotional responses they evoke. By understanding color harmonies, contrast, and complementary shades, you can create visually striking outfits that reflect your personal style and make a statement. Really quick, let's go over the basics of the color wheel. We have the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. They can't be mixed from any other color. The secondary colors are two primary colors mixed together, resulting in orange, green, and violet. Tertiary colors are any primary and one secondary mixed. Warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. Cool colors, green, blue, and violet. Now let's define a couple of terms so we understand what we're referencing. Hue is another name for color. Tint is color plus white. Tone is color plus gray. Shade is color plus black. And value is the lightness or darkness of a color. Let's start with color harmonies, which are combinations of colors that work well together. The most common harmonies include monochromatic, analogous, complementary, and triadic. Now let's explore each one with examples. A monochromatic color scheme involves using different shades and tints of the same color. So for example, pairing a navy blue blouse with sky blue trousers and royal blue heels creates a sophisticated and cohesive look. You can add depth to the outfit by incorporating textures such as a tweed blazer or a suede handbag in varying shades of blue. Analogous colors are next to each other on the color wheel. They create a harmonious and pleasing effect. For instance, combining a mustard yellow top with burnt orange pants and a rust-colored jacket creates a warm and trendy outfit. To add visual interest, you can accessorize with a statement belt or a patterned scarf that includes shades of yellow and orange. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel and create a vibrant contrast. For a bold look, pair a purple blouse with a yellow skirt or an emerald green dress with a ruby red belt. To balance the outfit, you can choose neutral accessories such as black clutch or nude pumps. Triadic color schemes involve using three colors that are evenly spaced on the color wheel. For a playful and energetic ensemble, try pairing a turquoise top with coral pants and a sunny yellow handbag. To tie the look together, you can opt for neutral shoes and a simple jewelry. In addition to harmonies, understanding color contrast is crucial for creating eye-catching outfits. High contrast combinations involve pairing colors that are on opposite ends of the value scale. Now remember, the value was the lightness or darkness range. So for example, pairing a black blazer with a crisp white shirt and red trousers creates a bold and attention-grabbing look. You can elevate the outfit by adding metallic accessories such as silver belt or gold statement earrings. Low contrast combinations involve using colors that are closer in value. This creates a subtle and sophisticated effect. Pairing different shades of pastel pink such as a blush top with a light pink skirt creates a soft and feminine ensemble. To add dimension, you can layer different textures like a lace top under a knit cardigan. Now let's talk about adding pops of color to your outfit. Start with a neutral base such as a black, white, gray, or even navy blue, and add a pop of color to create a focal point. For instance, a black and white outfit paired with vibrant red heels instantly draws attention and adds a playful element. To further enhance the pop of color, you can incorporate a red handbag or bold red lipstick. Statement accessories are a fantastic way to inject color into your outfit. A bold statement necklace, a vibrant handbag, or a pair of colorful shoes can transform a simple outfit into a head-turning ensemble. For example, a little black dress can be elevated with a statement belt in a bright, contrasting color like fuchsia or turquoise. Finish off the look with matching accessories such as a clutch or earrings. When creating eye-catching outfit combinations, it's also important to consider color temperature. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows create a vibrant and energetic look. For a summery outfit, you can pair a yellow sundress with a red cardigan and orange sandals. This combination exudes warmth and captures the essence of a sunny day. On the other hand, cool colors like blues, greens, and purples convey a calming and sophisticated vibe. Consider a cool tone outfit such as a light blue blouse paired with mint green pants and lilac accessories. This combination creates a serene and fresh look. Incorporating patterns and textures into your outfits can add depth and visual interest, allowing you to play with colors in unique ways. Explore printed patterns that include a variety of colors. So for instance, a floral maxi dress or a shirt with a mix of pastel shades can serve as a canvas for creative color combinations. Enhance the look by accessorizing with solid colored pieces that match one of the hues in the print. Textured elements can also contribute to the overall color story of your outfit. Combine different textures in the same color family to create dimension, like a monochromatic outfit featuring a chunky knit sweater, tailored trousers, and suede ankle boots, all in the shade of blue. It demonstrates how texture can add visual interest without overwhelming the color scheme. So to give you an example, I have this very thin cotton basic shirt, striped shirt, and I would combine this with this textured sweater. It's a knit sweater, it's a bit thicker, but it's also for the summer because it has these little holes and it's very light and airy and it looks bulky, but it's actually very, very nice and warm, but not too hot. This is definitely not a fall winter sweater. It's more of a throw-on knit. So these two combined look very nice and different to add dimension to your outfit. Here are a few practical tips to keep in mind as you apply color theory to your wardrobe. Start with a neutral base. Use black, white, gray, or even tan as the foundation of your outfit. This allows you to build upon it with colorful elements. Use the 60-30-10 rule. When combining multiple colors, aim for 60% of your outfit to be the dominant color, 30% for the secondary color, and 10% for the accent color or pop of color. Consider the occasion and your personal style. While color theory provides guidance, it's essential to adapt it to suit your individual taste and the occasion. Don't be afraid to experiment and mix colors in ways that feel authentic to you. Pay attention to color temperature. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows create a vibrant and energetic look, while cool colors like blue, greens, and purple convey a calming and sophisticated vibe. Consider the mood you want to evoke with your outfit. Don't forget about patterns and textures. Incorporating patterns and textures into your outfits can add depth and visual interest. Experiment with combining colors through printed fabrics or textured accessories. Remember, color theory is a tool that helps you create visually appealing outfit combinations, but there are no strict rules. Embrace the power of colors, experiment with different combinations, and let your wardrobe reflect your vibrant personality. Thank you for joining me today. For more fashion and styling tips, you want to watch my next video. I'll see you there.